Katanat Divisional Soil and Water Conservation East Giant Hill District minda kasing kala pelong ya program berkerpang asnong lela East Giant Hill District ha kabala pensyai pai ba halor ke jinan kam man penne pensa ki klau ki pat ke kendo ya kene ke project la khat da Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana Habakran kum ka kongsan ka MLA jong ka sutra saipung constituency ka kong Santa Mary Shila kalaong ba kalong ka badan kam ha man penne pensa ya ka bat ya ka kendo lelor ka kongsan kibala ai jinkran ki kentop ru deputy commissioner Shivanj Awasti IS Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer East Giant Hill District uba F Semyong kakong Nikki R1 Sutanga kabadai kadukhat jongka SHG Lelat kakong Nidala Yakai kabana katanat Divisional Soil and Water Conservation East Giant Hill District wahe shnong Lelat uba penhun Sutanga bat kiwe kibiadan ringkat hakani ke program ki kentop ru video saipung CNRD blog Dr. Riwan ki pertu uba R tongpe pat uba ki dakhar kibere ki junior engineer jong katanat water resources ke Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer ka kong R lalu Soil and Water Conservation Ranger uba L Laitan wahe shnong musnyang rem uba DH Rembai bat wahe shnong jong dan uba P bare kibadai ki dukhat jong ka watershed bat kiwe hakani ke program kiladan ru shipoteli ki kanhun self help group kiba lawan bane shimmenta bat kila pen inam ru haki stall ki tiar gitar bakan top ki maram ki jan bagi thanhi ki tiar bagi shnahi ki shipoteli ki SHG ki kentop ka tang enroll SHG kabana shnong jongria ka hey we done hi SHG national tangnop roilang 1 SHG national tongseng nongkli kenhun baduk SHG national lela minjurlang SHG na tongseng nongkli dakhar SHG national rengat parawan SHG na musnyang jongdeng itelang SHG na lum puthai ya telilang SHG na lum puthai ya manlang SHG na rengat na yoru ban pelong ru ya ka jing thung ding hashnong lela
bam smai bangin penne pensa ya ka kendeu bat ka hakilangkha bat ki chnong jongi bat ngin pensnyo thuru ya ki bru ya kata bangin no snyang bantau ya ki rukom penne pensa ya ki haki chnong jongi kum ki kanal pentut ban pej benya iya ki dams bat ki purap bangin pelong ya ki jingtung jingtep bat ban te ya ka haki lengkha bat ban yada na ka jingtua bat ban jingsnu jong ka khendeu
organic farming filter. Oh, thank you. This is from our DO. Which was farming from our APT member. Thank you so much. All the very best.
pensengau hapi bayak ni ka projek lakot yaka ka Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sincai Yojana Watershed Development Component lasdang yakni ka projek ha usnam arhajar arpuway arpuar kawai ka ba don ka ba ngikot yaka ka Upper Leteng Watershed Project kini ka project ka ba ngidon hanim tangi khot kita ka Upper Leteng Watershed Project ha ka ba ki sau snong kata ka tongseng lela tangno bat ul jongria ki hap ha kini ka project kini ka project kadang yai beteng bat kan sakut ha usdam arhajar arpun riu arpuh nyau kawai pat ka project ka ba ngidon kadon ha wapung blok bat kata ka project dakawai pat ki khat ka wa tangduk khabya ba watershed ha ka ba new tliki snong ki hap ha kata kawai ka project yakini ki artli ki project la pei tengka daka sarkar kemi langba ka Ministry of Rural Development Department of Land Resources rangkat lang bat ka sarkar jilla ka jingmut jengkani ka program ka bangi penlong menta ka sengi kalong ka ba ngin pensengau patpa ba ka sarkar ka don ka jingtmu bat jingkit ka ba scam ban pene pensa ya ki telong ya ki wa ya ki kendo ya ki klau bat ban wanra ru ya ka roy ka par ha ki snong ki jompi ka jingkala jongka mariang kalapai syagini ki thain jongiru ha ka ba ni ladon kam umdei tang ban perkhat hanrei bat ban le daki kam ne ki project ban penne pensa ya kamariang.
This program was launched nationally by Union Minister of Rural Development Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan in the month of February, and after that we had a state launch, and now this watershed yatra van is going around in different locations in different villages one by one. So the main vision, the main reason for organizing this watershed yatra is to have an outreach for this whatever schemes are there related to watershed, so that the public, the community, the local community is aware about what kind of programs, schemes are available, what is the vision of this program, and we can have a public private partnership where everyone, all the stakeholders whose life are going to be affected by watershed development activities are involved. So in this regard, I would also like to share some of my thoughts about watershed development, why it is important. So as we all know that watershed is a kind of unit for development which was envisioned very long back after our independence, when the planners for economic development were thinking of model what should be the area that should be chosen for livelihood, environmental sustainability, and a model of development. It can be district level, you can choose district as a base for development, but watershed was chosen for a particular reason, because as we all know that if you choose a watershed area, whatever water sources are in this area, whatever catchment areas are there, they all are going into one particular water source. So if we take watershed as a unit of development, if we do soil conservation activities there, if we do agriculture activities there, if we do water harvesting activities there, it will eventually help the overall water source in that area. So in this regard, not only the soil and water conservation department, but there are many other line departments who are doing water conservation activities or in one way or other related to water, be it PHE department which is implementing Jal Jeevan Mission scheme, or we have Meghalaya Basin Development Authority who are also having lot of afforestation related programs. We have a water resources department which is looking into some irrigation resources that can be constructed for various agriculture fields. So I would urge again from this platform for all these departments to work together in an aligned manner, because we have seen in last few years that many times whatever sources that have been created by under Jal Jeevan Mission, they are already drying up. We all know that our state is the name of the state itself is Meghalaya, and it receives a very high amount of rainfall, and still people who I meet when I tell them that our state is a water scarce state. We don't have plenty of clean water available for everyone to drink right now. So people are surprised, and this can be solved only by watershed management approach. Whatever water falls on our land is flowing and going into the oceans. If we can have some kind of water harvesting, be it agro practices like creating trenches, or be it some kind of rainwater harvesting, rooftop rainwater harvesting, whatever we can do to conserve whatever water is there in the watershed, that can be retained in the watershed for longer period through afforestation, that will eventually serve the purpose. So like that, what we observed was that when some of the
scheme yang PMKSY watershed component wada igi kelen ganika India kamtam hapok state yang ila debon bahagi tau wada yarap ki kanika watershed man gawi ka jingirap bahana manta kini ki lene dayu bat PE ha thanyong i debot duduna omba chini ka thanyong i borok hi ke East Gentle Hills at borok ka state gawi yu bat pi kam gini ki JGM wala dep chnai la dang duna ga van ga chagate ka chnong ga thau tam kam bhau bu ga gane ga kam tam gini gi chnong gi thau karpat ipi waro hi kamo bha ka to ka wi ka basic din yong i wa em kam bha ga jing im yong i tam kam bhau bu ka kam ga wi ka project kam ga khanau sen tu wa so le jar so spa san phau hectare ke area wa da bu ga ka te ka watershed so kuman hado ka te takate le mo wada biang mana dang em kam chui ya gani ga watershed kelen ga chnong mat ki wiki chnong i than gani ga thanyong i to ga thanyong ga mining tem kam ba o preserve ka gani ga kam tam yi gini gi khandau yong i une gi bu peten gi ha maret u em kam i ba da yu ba ki changes yong ga climate yong gani ga boro i berthai ga wi da pher ba go na ka por chakapor tem kam bau uperkhat bai yagalawe yang ihi mesem lui kamtam yaga kot ka khia yo preserve ga kini ki yagi klo ki khandau yang i haga ni ka than yang i tanga yo ko klami phi te kit bok kit biang yagi ni ki beneficiary wa de em langi ya kre langi wa ga ni ka department yang soil water conservation yo lu ti choi dang bon chu gi pat ba yang i wan che khamat yo chu kai gini ki scheme yo yi phi le bha bi givi tadang por chu go sa ki givi sio bha ye pentip lang ye gini ki scheme ye ga vro ge gi chnong le yo yu le bha nam ta kan ni ga watershed wa em kam bha ga ching im yong i to du ong wa gini ki scheme em kam re wa em kam ma gini ki scheme to ki wa panbha panmiat ko ya ka climate ko wi panbha panmiat ya gini ki thau gi bhangi khamtam ya gini ki khandau la ki or khamtam ya gini ki une gi thau don